the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it. On behalf of the Xavier's Commerce Society, it is an honor to welcome you to the first calendar event of the Commerce Department of St. Xavier's College, the much awaited Innovision 2020, Unraveling All Odds. Today's seminar is on understanding money magnetism and management by SSL Academy. The speaker for today is Mr. Kanak Jain. Mr. Kanak Jain is a volatility coach, international speaker, trainer, author, and a certified financial planner. Besides its own immediate field of expertise as the founder of the very successful SSL Academy and Volatility Game, he is the author and creator of a game on personal finance called the Volatility Game Play and Grow Rich. SSL Academy certifies financial advisors, investors, and students with practical training on the capital market. Mr. Jain is an enchanting and energetic speaker and has conducted many inspirational, motivational skills, development, and finance oriented training sessions for many reputed organizations and institutions. He has conducted workshops with over 20,000 people in the last 5 years. He has also worked as a wealth planner for many years, and beyond financial planning, imparting financial literacy to the people has become his ultimate goal. Without further ado, I would like to request Mr. Kanak Jain to begin with the session.
Thank you, Yash, for the introduction. It's a pleasure. So how are we feeling, everyone, this morning? If we are feeling good, if we are feeling fine, we can just write fine, good, whatever the way we are feeling in the chat box. Let's write something on the chat box and let's try and make this session a little interactive so that both of us, all of you and each one of us in this group can actually learn from each other. That's amazing. Only 4 of us are feeling great. Good, good. So how are we feeling today? Okay. Good. So we are going to talk about money, and money is exciting. Yes, money is awesome. So how is money? What do you think about money? Can some of you write? So we will have some fun. We will have some quiz. We will have some polls. So we will have a lot of question and answers. So let's understand, what do you all think about money? What is money? All of you can just write something in the chat box. Okay. Money is power, survivor, addiction. Wow. What else? Money is enabler. What else? Okay. So that's it. Are we looking for more money in our life? Are we trying to get some business or jobs or some positions wherein we can actually make good money? So money is an illusion. Okay. It's only an illusion. Hawa mein rahega. Milega ki nahi, pata nahi. Okay. Which is most important in life? Shankar is telling. Good. Most important. Some people say second most important. Some people say money is a barter for value. Money is everything. Wow. Good, good, good. So this is what the views are coming from some of us, not all of us, I will say. Key to financial freedom. Okay. Is money the key to financial freedom or something more? Yes, we will talk about money. Anything, anybody else? What is it all about money? Chalo, let me just ask you a question. Okay. How many of you have seen Kaun Banega Crorepati? Or maybe some of you who don't watch television, if you must have heard about Kaun Banega Crorepati, there were many, many series like this. If you have heard, you can just write I, yes, or I. How many of you have seen? Yes, I. That's good. That's amazing. Which means most of you have heard about, or maybe have seen Kaun Banega Crorepati. Anyone can write who has become a Crorepati? Is it you? Or maybe when you get a chance. Or do you know somebody? I think the better question will be, do you know somebody who has won some amount of money in Kaun Banega Crorepati? You know him, maybe one to one, or you are related to him, or he's a friend or something like that. Someone? No. Okay, most of you say no. That's absolutely fine. Acha, your teacher won. Wow, wow, Jiten. Good, good. How much? How much did your teacher win? Okay, was it a crore plus or less than that? Okay, around three and a half. Okay, okay, good, good, good. A big applause to Jiten's ma'am or sir, whoever it was. So that's amazing. But my question here is, see, we have lot of us know have seen this program, and during this program we have seen some of the people actually becoming crorepati. Now, similar to this program, there are various other programs like Who Will Become a Millionaire. Actually, this is a program which is from Who Will Become a Millionaire only. We have seen many people becoming millionaires, not only in India, across the globe. A lot of people also win when they actually participate in a lottery or in a race or maybe programs like this. Now, there is one observation to that. And what is that observation? That observation is within 1.5 to 2 years, 90% of the people who win a lot of money, okay, they become bankrupt. Yes, let me repeat. They become bankrupt. Each and every penny is just gone. There is an example of this person who won 5 crore rupees. Okay, what is his name? From Patna? Anyone can tell the name? No. What is his name? See, we don't even remember the name. Okay, this was the person who was the first one to win 5 crores. Okay, uh, some Kumar. I just forgetting his name. No, no, not Kumar Sharma. Kumar. Uh, is from, okay, just as I remember, Sushil Kumar. Yes, yes, Jiten knows everything, huh? So today's, I think I will have to share some chocolates for Jiten today. Maybe I will share it through Yash or maybe Roshni. Good. So this is something which is there wherein these people, Sushil Kumar won, but you know what is the condition of his at this point of time? Where is that 5 crore gone? Let's take 30% was tax. So that's gone. So 3.5 crore was left with him. Now, where is that 3.5 crores? That 3.5 crore is also vanished. And today he is working on a particular job. He is getting a salary, which is also very, very minimal. I think it is less than 20,000. But now my question is why? Why the same things happened with so many people all across the world? If you just Google and see the top 10 people who actually won in California or in Sydney or maybe New York or maybe UK, wherever you see all the same condition, it's like that. All of them, somebody used to work as a bus conductor or somebody was a teacher or somebody was like this. All of them who won the biggest money, which is like in few crores or millions, everything just goes away. Now my question is why it is like that. We will open for interaction at the end so that you all can speak also. It's nice to speak, but as of now, as Yash has advised all of us, we all can chat. Okay, lack of money management, that's a very good reason, Harshit. So lack of money management and literacy, that's a nice answer. Who else? What else is the answer? See, this is lack of money management and financial literacy, but like, why this full money is gone? You can see the whole money. He earned 3.5 crores after paying the taxes. Everything is gone. There is nothing left. Okay, greed. Yeah, greed. Okay, greed to make more money. Yes, Gunjan. Because they have not exactly earned it. Okay, self-control nahi hai. See, exactly, they have earned it with whatever the knowledge and all, some or other way. You can call them maybe lucky at that point of time or whatever. They have earned it some or other way. Or rather, you can say that it is an easy money in and easy it has gone out. Huh? What happened when those who have no ideas and they got a lot of money? They were educated to some extent, like especially people winning from this prize monies and all, something like that. So they don't realize the value. Okay, even if they don't realize the value, but it's a good money. Okay, lack of financial knowledge is absolutely correct. Lack of financial knowledge is absolutely good. Sanskar, Harshit, you're right. And easy money. So it's like, कहते हैं ना वो एक easy money is like एक छलावा है. It comes in and it goes away. ठीक है? Okay, so it comes and it goes away. So let's understand what happens. Low financial quotient. Okay, now we are coming to technical terms. Huh? Shashankar. Okay, sanskar. Sorry, sanskar. So yes, all this is there, but there is one major reason. Okay, how many of you have read this book called The Secret? The Secret, or you have watched this movie called The Secret? Just Google or maybe go to YouTube and see there is a movie which is called The Secret. How many of you, if you have read, anyone who has read, just write yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. So, okay. So, Icha and Gunjan, both of you have read. So, can you tell, or anyone can tell, what is the essence, what is the theme of this whole book? So, I will recommend each one of you to go through this book or maybe just watch this movie. Okay. It's a, I think, 70-80 minutes movie, The Secret. Okay. I can write. This is the name of the movie by Rhonda Byrne. So she is, it's a best-selling book also, an amazing, amazing book. So while we are talking, I will be just sharing some names of some of the books. I will recommend highly to read all those if possible, because now I think all of us have a little more time, and this time can actually be utilized by reading books. Okay. So essence of the book is that you get what you are, what you attract. Yes, very nice, Gunjan. You have written beautiful answer. So कहते हैं कि हम वही चीजों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करते हैं जैसे हम होते हैं. As we are, we will attract the similar things in our life. This is applicable not only with money, but with people, with neighbors, with boss, with juniors, with girlfriends, with boyfriends, with spouses, everybody, each and every person is in our life is a result of what we are. हम जैसे होते हैं वैसी ही चीजों को, वैसी परिस्थितियों को, वैसे ही लोगों को और वैसे ही माहौल को अपनी ओर आकर्षित करते हैं. This is the essence, and this is absolutely correct. Now, my dear friends, why this is so connected with the question which I asked you earlier, that this Kaun Banega Crorepati mein 90% of the people after winning, they actually lose out everything. Sara ka sara rupiya jo wo earn karte hain, sab kuch khatam ho jata hai. It is again connected with this. Okay. See, all these people after winning a particular sum of money, what happened to them? They actually get a lot of money. But all this money, whatever they have got, they need to have something so that they can retain this money. Now, क्या होता है ना, बचपन से लेके school life, college life, throughout, there is a upbringing process which all of us undergoing, which is you and me and everyone. Okay, and there is an upbringing process which maybe Mukesh Ambani has gone through, or maybe Azim Premji's son has also gone through, or maybe anyone. Okay, so there are also many books and many theories also available, which is again, it is not like that everyone who is Mukesh Ambani's son, or maybe Azim Premji's son, or maybe in a hierarchy like that, he is only going to be rich. Okay, but what happens? Okay, कहते हैं हम, we become an average of the 5 people around us. हम उन 5 लोगों की एवरेज होते हैं जो हमारे इर्द गिर्द हमेशा रहते हैं. उन सब में हमारी फैमिली इंक्लूडेड है, हमारे फ्रेंड्स इंक्लूडेड है, और ऐसे लोग जिनसे हम इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं और हम धीरे धीरे ग्रेजुअली उन्हीं के जैसे बन जाते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट द रियलिटी इज. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन लॉट ऑफ केसेस, दिस पीपल, ये लोग जीत तो बहुत जाते हैं रुपया बहुत सारा, पर क्या कहना है ना कि इनका जो माइंडसेट है जिसकी हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, वो शायद वैसा नहीं होता है जो उस रुपये को मेंटेन कर सके या रिटेन कर सके. बचपन से लेके जब तक एक बच्चा या एक बच्ची जब तक कॉलेज में आते हैं, तब तक उनसे एक ही चीज बोली जाती है कि आप लोग सिर्फ पढ़ाई पे फोकस करो, स्टडी पे फोकस करो, ओनली स्टडी 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 एंड नथिंग एल्स. आजकल ठीक है, पेरेंट्स फिर भी बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए बोल रहे हैं और चीजों के लिए बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं बोलने की, पर आइडिया यही है. और जैसे ही एजुकेशन कंप्लीट होता है, थ्रू आउट द लाइफ बोलते हैं डोंट टॉक अबाउट मनी, डोंट थिंक अबाउट मनी, ओनली थिंक अबाउट स्टडी. और जैसे ही स्टडीज खत्म होती है, सब लोग एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, how much this boy is earning, where is he placed, उसके gold medal सारे के सारे backstage में चले जाते हैं. And then this girl or this boy is actually expected to answer that how much they are making, what is their position, which company they are working, what is the salary, what is the package, and how much they are growing. Isn't it like that? हम सबसे एक ही आशा और एक ही expectations की जाती है कि हम लोग कितना earn कर रहे हैं. Okay? Now, ये एक अचानक से एक रिवर्स हो जाती है, चीजें सब कुछ चेंज हो जाती है. Throughout there is a conditioning which is then, and don't talk about money, and all of a sudden you are just talking only and only about money. Now what will happen throughout, you are just not talking, और आपने सोचा ही नहीं और अचानक से सिर्फ मनी की बात जब करते हैं, तो आप जब एक नया बिजनेस या एक नए जॉब के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, आपको अगर कोई 5 लाख की जॉब ऑफर कर रहा है और आपको अगर 1 लाख की ऑफर कर रहा है, माइंडसेट ऐसा बना हुआ है कि आप लोग सोचते हैं नहीं यार शायद उस 5 लाख के लिए मैं एलिजिबल ही नहीं हूं, वो 5 लाख पर मंथ शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा, या जो जिस तरीके से जिसकी माइंडसेट वैसी बनी हुई है, वो 1 लाख के जॉब के लिए ज्यादा कोशिश करता है. या अगर आप बिजनेस में हैं, अगर एक 500 करोड़ का टेंडर है और एक अगर 100 करोड़ या 50 करोड़ का टेंडर है, आप सोचते हैं चलो मैं पहले यही वाला करता हूं, बिकॉज इट इज ऑल अबाउट द माइंडसेट. बट अगर वही अनंत अंबानी को अगर आप बोलेंगे, जो कि मुकेश अंबानी के सुपुत्र हैं, उनको बोलेंगे he will probably build for something which is more bigger. So it is all about, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूं कि हम सब यहाँ पे हैं, सबका माइंडसेट अपने अपने हिसाब से बना हुआ है, पर आइडिया ये है हमारा जितना बड़ा माइंडसेट होगा, जितना ऊंचाई पे हमारा माइंडसेट होगा, जिस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे हमारा माइंडसेट होगा, हम उतने ही रुपए अट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे और उन्हें रिटेन कर पाएंगे. अगर somehow अगर अट्रैक्ट भी कर लेते हैं, even if we attract, probably we will not be able to retain it. So my dear friends, before talking about money or before talking about how we can actually grow the money, it is very, very important that we should retain that money, and that money mindset should be there. Okay, chaliye, let's do something interesting now. I will ask you a question, and this question is based on a story, and all of you can answer. Maybe some of you can chat, but I will give you a poll. So you will have a poll in front of you on the screen. What you can do, you can just press whatever option you think like. Okay, there's a little bit of maths in this, but the idea is not about the maths. The idea is understanding about something which is very, very commonly understood by people, but not very seriously taken. हम सब उसके बारे में बहुत सोचते हैं, जानते हैं, but उसको इतना seriously शायद नहीं लेते हैं. चलिए कहानी सुनाता हूं. एक बच्चा या एक एडोलेसेंट कहूंगा मैं, 16 साल का, 16-year-old this boy, he wanted to go for higher studies, और हायर स्टडीज में जाने के लिए उसे काफी सारे रुपयों की आवश्यकता थी. And in order to do that, he needed that money, but he was not having that much money. So he went to a money lender in his town and he told them कि आप क्या मुझे इतना अमाउंट लेंड कर सकते हैं so that I can go and do my higher studies. And he told, yes, I can give it to you, but there is a condition to that. Then there is an interest rate which I charge, and the interest rate is something little higher, on a little higher side. And the interest rate is like, whatever money I will give you, you will have to pay double of that to me within 6 months. Or if you are not able to pay within 6 months, then after 1 year, it will be further doubled. Which means if I give you 100 rupee, at the end of 6 months, you will have to pay me 200. And if you are returning after 1 year, you will have to pay me 400. If you are returning after 1.5 years, you return me 800. And if you are returning after 2 years, then you have to return 1600. So this was the way he actually told. And this particular boy told, my God, this is really, really very, very high. And this amount of money, I think you are charging exorbitant. This is the rule I have made, and all the money lenders in our town has just come to a conclusion that we will actually have this only. So in case, then he asked, in case if you have to take money, will you also give the same interest rate? He tells, yes. If I also take money, I also pay the same amount of interest rate. Then he told, sir, I have only 1 rupee coin in my pocket. May I lend this? May I give this money to you? So that whenever I return and I take the interest and whatever it is, we're like, okay, just for your sake, although I don't need money, but just because you are telling, let me do that. And he just write it on a piece of paper and give it to him. And he takes this one paper. Now my question is, what is the amount which this particular boy gets? So there is a poll, okay, in front of you. All of you can see this, okay? So this is something, if this money is getting doubled in 6 months and rupee 1 was invested, this particular boy, what is he that gets after 14 years? and this boy returned to this town again after 14 years, which means when he is 30 years old, he returned back. Now you will have to tell me वो 1 रुपया कितना बन जाता है 14 साल के अंत में. हर 6 महीने में वो 1 रुपया डबल हो रहा है, और डबल होते होते what is that he is going to get at the end of 14 years? Okay, so my dear friends, this is the question for you. Okay, so far what I can see is a lot of you are thinking, and only 6% of you have voted. So let me see. So I think out of so many of us who are there present in this group, only 6%. What happened? Please vote fast. Okay, another 30 seconds for this question. It's already a minute. So we will wait for another 30 seconds, and then you will have to give your answer before that. So first option is 12.5 lakhs. Second question is 1.25 crores. Third option is 12.25 crores. Fourth option is 26.5 crores. And the fifth and the last option is 100 crore plus. So you can use your calculators, you can use your knowledge, understanding, whatever way you want, but you can just answer. 18% of you have voted. And I am very happy to see that 29% of you are giving right answers. Not all. So only 29% of you have given a right answer. Now 33% of you have given a right answer. So let's see. Good to see that only 20% of you have participated so far. I want to see at least 100% participation, if not 100, at least 90%. Because कहते हैं ना कि participation equals to value. अगर कोई भी चीज में आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हो, एंगेज हो जाते हो और इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हो, तब आपको उससे वैल्यू मिलती है. अगर आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करोगे तो कितने भी अच्छी चीज अगर आपके सामने आएगी, आप शायद उसकी जो वैल्यू है वो ले नहीं पाओगे. Only 25% have voted as of now. बाकी सब लोग, wherever you are, even if you are on your phone, you can just see there are 3 dots there. Just identify, and the poll is in progress. You can just go to the poll section and you can just opt for one of the answers. Only 25%. बाकी सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? घर के काम में बहुत बिजी हैं, किचन में हैं. या वॉक कर रहे हैं, या खाना खा रहे हैं. Whatever you are doing, you all can just answer to this poll. Okay, it's simple, but it is going to give us a little understanding about where we are going and where we are moving and how actually we all can become money magnets. The idea is all of us understand money magnets. Whenever I have conducted the volatility game for over 550 times. Okay, and it has not only in India but also in Australia. And I think out of this student community is, I think, more than 100 programs I have done with students only. So rest I have done it with adults, business people who are in finance business mostly. So I keep on creating only games, okay, so that through games we all can understand and we all can learn certain things. So that's the whole idea. So good, I think only 27%. That's a very, very bad percentage of participation. If you will not participate, अगर Albert Einstein या गुरु रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर भी आके अगर कुछ बोलेंगे तो नहीं समझ में आएगा. Okay, हम एक दूसरे से क्या समझ पाएंगे? Sir, please tell us about. Okay, Rahul. Maybe at the end of the session, I will just share a little bit. We will just play a little part of the volatility game. Let's see how the time moves. Okay, so only 27% of you have voted. What happened? All of you are unable to see the polls. Okay, or no, because only 22 out of 81 people have voted as of now. Okay, नहीं मिल रहा है. Okay, चलो, I will end the poll. There is no other option. So only very few of you have participated. Okay, so 36%. You cannot see the poll, Rahul. Okay, there was a poll which is there now again in front of you on the screen. Which was it like? You will have to find the poll. It's there on the screen. If you are on your mobile phone, sometime it is not visible. But if you are on a laptop, it is clearly visible. On your mobile phone, there are like 3 dots, there. And finally, once you press, something pops up on the screen and you can just press any of the option. So if money is doubled in 6 months, rupee 1 invested, then it, what is the return that it becomes after 14 years? What is the value? So 36% of you have answered 12.5 lakhs, which is a wrong answer. 14% of you answered 1.25 crore. That is a wrong answer. 9% of you answered 12.5 crore. That's also wrong. So Sumedha Agarwal writing it in the chat box, correct. So the correct answer is 26.84 crores. Okay. If you just do simple calculation, simple doubling, 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, and then 16, and then 32, and then 64. You will see in 7 years, it is approximately 60,000 rupees only. But the real compounding, what happens is in the last few years. And 100 crore is the answer. If I have made it like instead of 14 years, if it was 15 years, then probably it is more than 100 crores. So people who have answered 100 crore, they must have heard it somewhere. That is the reason it is answered. But that was, I keep changing these questions whenever I take sessions. So sometimes in some places I ask 15 years, somewhere 14 years, somewhere I make it 30 years, and so on and so forth. So that there is a little fun element also there. So this is what the whole system is. Now, this is called the power of compounding. ये दुनिया का 8वां अजूबा है. अगर आप किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में, let's say mathematics में या किसी भी एक सब्जेक्ट में, you were not good at certain point of time, your parents or maybe no, you yourself never told, चलो अब मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता मैथ्स में, मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, let me stop studying over here and let me get back to work or let me join my father's business. हमने ऐसा कभी भी नहीं कहा, नहीं हमारे पेरेंट्स ने ऐसा कहा, क्योंकि हम सबको मालूम है टू सम एक्सटेंट कभी ना कभी एक ऐसी सिचुएशन आएगी जब हमारी कंपाउंडिंग हो जाएगी. Throughout long term player, yes, long term, short term, सब कुछ होना चाहिए. We will just come to that. But the idea is the actual compounding happens at the end only. आपके career में, let's say if you become a chartered accountant, or maybe you become a MBA, or maybe you become a company secretary, or whatever you are, initially maybe you will be getting a salary, but you just think, ये जब मैं पढ़ता था तो हमारे एक टीचर ने कहा था, अगर आप 6 महीने डिले कर देते हो अपना सीए फाइनल को पास करना, तो आप एज्यूम करो अभी शायद आपकी सैलरी 10 lakhs होगी, लेकिन जब आपके रिटायरमेंट का जो करियर आएगा, रिटायरमेंट के टाइम में अगर आपकी सैलरी 1 crore है, मतलब हाफ ईयर का 50 lakhs है, मतलब यू आर एक्चुअली लूजिंग 50 lakh rupees बस जस्ट बाय डिलेइंग 6 months. 6 महीने में होते हैं ना सीए के एग्जाम्स. So I'm giving just one example because that is connected with me, and most of you are commerce students also. So what happens? When वो 50 lakhs, you don't think that it is 5 lakhs because अभी आपकी salary 10 lakhs होगी. You think that it is a loss of 50 lakhs because retirement तो पहले हो जाएगा ना, और वो 50 लाख जो आपको मिलता है वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. So you will have to think like that, and this is all about the mindset. That will make things faster, and that will ensure that you are doing things in your benefit actually. Okay, so whatever programs, whatever courses, whatever games we are doing, it is not only a game which is just helping you to understand how to create a portfolio, how to make good returns, and what to do right and what not to do. It is something beyond that, so that actually the lessons of life also you learn, and it is more about that than only about the technical things. Technical things तो कोई भी सीख सकता है, कोई भी समझ सकता है, बहुत सारे programs हैं, courses हैं, but उन technical चीजों के पीछे में there is some reality which is very very important for all of us to understand. Okay, I think it is okay. Are we enjoying? Is it making sense for all of you? This is not like a normal college or a theoretical lecture which I thought we should be having, and it is in a form, and I only play games mostly into physical classes, but I also changed myself. I used to think that I can only conduct programs when it is in a form of a classroom, when we can have people can engage, people can do high fives, people can clap, people can talk with each other. But now see, today we are doing these programs also on Zoom, and for last, I think I have done business and I have reached out to people whom probably I have not reached out in last 5 years. That's what I have done in this last 5 months. In this last 5 months, I have certified people equal to what I have done in actually last 2 years, 3 years. So it is rather more than that. So there is something which is actually wait for all of us. There is a time which actually comes so that you can reach out and people can actually get benefit out of it. So this is all something which is there. So let me ask you another question, and that is, Let me put it in form of a poll only for you. I think that will make it more interesting. But this time I want all of you to participate in that poll. Okay. Let me just put a question. What is the definition of money? Okay. First, let me ask you the definition of money, because we are going to talk about money and money, defining money and actually making money and actually becoming happy with money. There are all three different things. So let me just first ask you a question. What is money? Right? Well, how you can define money? If you can just write something in the chat box. Define money. No one. Where is everyone? Defining money is so tough. My dear friend, this is something which we all want to own. हम लोग चाहते हैं ये रुपए हमारे पास आए. हम आप जॉब करोगे, बिजनेस करोगे, कुछ भी करोगे. Finally, outcome is money has to come. Yes, money is a means of exchange. Means of exchange, medium of exchange. Yes, Harsh, you are absolutely correct. So Harsh is absolutely good. So we can give an applaud for Harsh. Yes, Ashish Akbar, you are also right. So it is a medium of exchange. Now this medium of exchange, now there is a formula to everything. I think that there is a formula for everything. What is the formula for water? Formula for water is like H2O, which means hydrogen and oxygen added together, it becomes water. Is it like that? Let's assume that in this room there is hydrogen, then there is oxygen. I added them. Do you think I made water? No. Why? Why I am unable to make water? I have used, there is oxygen, there is hydrogen in around all of us, but still we are mixing, and why can't we make money? Why can't we make water out of that? The only reason is there is a temperature, there is a condition, there are certain other procedural things which is required so that it can become water. And there is a proportion also, this much amount of oxygen, this much amount of hydrogen, and then there is a temperature, then only it becomes water. Similarly, I think that there is a formula for everything. Okay, each and everything. Maybe most of you are not from a science background, maybe chemistry, all the salts and acids and all, everything. But each and everything, it's not about physics, chemistry, or it is not about the left hand side equals to right hand side in algebra or anything like that. But there is a formula for everything, and even money has a formula. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in front of you a poll, which is going to, which you will have to answer and tell me what is the formula for money. So this is the poll in front of you. This is there for next 1 minute only. Please answer it as fast as possible. Yeah, good to see. But again, the percentage of participation is not very good. Again, remember one thing. Whatever knowledge, whatever things, whatever learning comes to you, if you have not participated in that, you will not get the value. And participation is not about wrong or right. It is about just participation. Because once you participate, you become a part of that whole thing. And if you're not becoming a part of the whole thing, you will never own it. That's the reality. Whether you are working with an organization, whether you are working in a business, whether you are in your family, एक शादी या कुछ घर में फंक्शन होता है, उसके अरेंजमेंट में, then you cannot see the pole. Yeah, that's the big issue then. So I think we all are in a process of again adopting the technology. So it is there in front of you. There is a screen, something there. And the question is, what is the formula for money? And the first option is money equals to time into effort. Second option is money equals to time into effort into technology. Third option is money equals to time into effort into artificial intelligence. The third and the fourth option is money equals to time into effort into value. And the last option is money equals to experience. What do you think the answer is? Okay, since some of you, I don't know why you cannot see the polls. Maybe on a phone, no, there is an option. It just pops up automatically. Some of you need to, I think there are some options like, no, you have to what do you call that, वो allow the pop-ups and all things like that. There are a lot of technical things. Okay, chalo theek hai, let's end the poll. But I can see a very if you can see 71% of you have written money equals to time into effort into value. Okay, chaliye. Well, let me just share a story before we actually come to the answer of this question. I also had a slide which I prepared, but somehow no, I was not sharing that so far. So this is so what is money? Money, normally the normal definition of a money is like money is equals to time into effort. Let's say if somebody has become a chartered accountant, this is the effort which somebody has put in, and if he is giving that time, he is going to get a money, let's say a 10 lakh rupee salary. If he is also a chartered accountant plus a company secretary plus a MBA, then probably he is devoting some time and he can get a 15 lakh, 20 lakh salary. After 10 years, he added a 10 years experience, which means money equals to the experience also, and he will probably get a 40 lakh salary or a 35 lakh salary. So when we are adding more and more effort, more and more experience, the salary or the money which you are earning actually keeps on growing. But this used to be the formula for the industrial age. Now we are in an age which is actually technology plus AI plus, and the formula is no more working. It is working for 99% of the people, but if you want to be into that other formula, you will have to understand that. Okay, so that is something which is there in certain things which we actually do. So today what I'm going to share the formula. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये formula बता दूंगा और इस room से बाहर आप जाओगे और अचानक से नोटों की बारिश शुरू हो जाएगी. It's not be like that. But again, what is going to happen is you will be able to relate, you will be able to connect, and you will be able to, you will start working on that. And if you start working on that, obviously the proportion, the frequency of earning money will actually keep growing. So that is more and more important. So that is something which I just want to share with you, so that that makes a lot of sense. Before doing that, let me just tell a story to you. Okay, and the story is long rather आप लोग सब चाय पीते हो? Okay, चाय. If you drink tea, please write yes in the chat box. नहीं तो write coffee पीते हो. Okay, चाय कॉफी कुछ तो पीते होंगे. ओके हमारे स्कूल डेज में बहुत सारे बच्चे थे, हमारे फ्रेंड्स थे, वो लोग बोलते थे नहीं चाय नहीं पीते हैं हम घर पे, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. बट ओके, एनीवेज, तो चाय जो पीते हैं इन अ स्मॉल कप, लेट्स से आपकी कॉलेज के बाहर में देयर इज अ टी स्टॉल और समथिंग, थोड़ा दूर जाके या पीछे में वर्धान मार्केट के पास में जो चाय वाले हैं वो चाय जो देते हैं एक छोटे से कुल्हड़ में, उस चाय का कितना रुपए लेते हैं वो लोग? हाउ मच डू दे चार्ज फॉर दैट वन टी का? Normal, just roadside, outside your school or maybe inside your campus also. How much do they charge? कितना रुपया? Right, 10 रुपये. ठीक है, चलो 10 रुपए की चाय है, चलिए 10 ही मान लेते हैं एक बार. अब उस 10 रुपए की चाय में चाय पत्ती कितने की है? How many grams? It is approximately 2 grams. So वो कितनी चाय है? And what is the cost of that tea? If the tea is like 300 rupee a kg or maybe 250 rupees a kg, for 2 grams it is how much? 50 paisa. Which means वो 50 पैसे की चाय के लिए आप 10 रुपए देते हैं. Well, obviously उसमें दूध है, चीनी है, बहुत सारा कुछ मिलाते हैं, बनाते हैं and all whatever way. Now, हाँ, बैकगेट, आपके चाय का जो बैकगेट है जेवियर्स का, उसके पीछे में भी बहुत सारे चाय वाले हैं और वो सब जो 10 रुपए whatever जो भी लेते हैं. तो अभी क्या है कि यहाँ पे जो यही चाय अगर आप एक अच्छे टी स्टॉल में जाके बैठ के पीते हो, ओके, उसका कितना लगेगा? लेट्स से हम लोग टी जंक्शन में जाते हैं, सिटी सेंटर में जाके चाय पीते हैं, तब हमारा कितना लगता है वही सेम चाय? हाउ मच डू वी पे फॉर दैट टी? फास्ट, फटाफट आंसर देना होगा. क्विक. 100? नहीं, टी जंक्शन इतना नहीं लेता है. यस, इट इज समथिंग अराउंड 20 प्लस जीएसटी. आई थिंक 25 या 28 रुपए ऐसे ही कुछ लेता है वो. सो 30 है. या आई थिंक निखिल, यू आर मोर करेक्ट, नियर टू करेक्ट. सो 25 से 30 के बीच में लेता है। अब समझ लीजिए आप कैफे कॉफी डे में जाके अगर वो चाय पीते हो तो कितना रुपया लगता है? कैफे कॉफी डे $100, एब्सोल्युटली। बट उस $100 की चाय में भी चाय पत्ती कितने की है? इट्स ओनली 50 पैसा, बट स्टिल यू आर पेइंग $100 फॉर दैट। देन यू गो टू स्टारबक्स। व्हेन यू गो टू स्टारबक्स, हाउ मच डू यू पे फॉर दैट 50 पैसा टी? How much do you pay at Starbucks? 250. Yes, Siri, right, Sri. And now you go to JW Marriott, Calcutta JW Marriott. How much do you pay? कुछ 728 rupees लगता है including GST. That's for one cup of tea, where you know चाय भी अलग है, दूध भी अलग है, चीनी भी अलग है, पानी भी अलग है, and something which you mix and आप खुद को बनाना है, खुद ही को पीना है. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वही सेम चाय जो 50 पैसे की थी आपने 10 रुपए में भी ली और 700 रुपए में भी लेते हो। और ऐसा हम लोग एक चाय के लिए ही नहीं करते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए करते हैं। हम लोग आइनॉक्स में जाते हैं, वही सिनेमा हॉल हमारे एज में मैं कहूंगा, ओके, व्हेन आई वाज इन माय स्कूल इट वाज 90s, सो दैट वाज द टाइम। एंड हम लोग जाते थे, उस समय आइनॉक्स वगैरह होते नहीं थे, और 12 रुपया 12 रुपीज वाज अ चार्ज, ओके, दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। और आज भी हम लोग अगर देखेंगे, आप लोग जो पॉपकॉर्न खाते हो आइनॉक्स में 300 रुपी पे करते हैं, बट एक्चुअली अगर आप बाहर में लो तो वो 30 रुपीज का भी नहीं होगा शायद, बट वी आर स्टिल पेइंग उस 30 रुपीज के पॉपकॉर्न का $300 इनसाइड दैट हॉल। नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डू वी पे सो मच फॉर दैट? Why do some people get more money? Why Amazon is getting so much of money? Why Microsoft is getting so much of money? What is that reason why people are paying so much money to them? And what is you all can do so that you can actually create a value proposition for the customer so that they pay you so much of money? वही 50 पैसे की चीज एक व्यक्ति क्यों 700 रुपया देता है, और वही 30 रुपया का टब वो लोग 300 रुपया क्यों देते हैं? हम लोग ऐसा क्या करें एज अ स्टूडेंट? व्हाट वी शुड बी डूइंग सो दैट व्हाट वी डू इन द कमिंग डेज एंड वी क्रिएट समथिंग फॉर आवरसेल्व्स सो दैट वी आर एक्चुअली attracting a job which is probably of a much higher salary. Maybe not initially, but later we continue to get that growth, or whatever business we are doing, we get more value out of it, we get paid more for it. Are you really interested to know that? Yes, no, yes, yes, yes. कुछ तो लिखिए. Participation equals to value. If you are participating, you will get the value. If you are not, probably the value will be less. Hanji sir. Yes, Manas. Yes, Rahul. Yes, Sri. Yes, Rohan. Now the answer was there in the poll. हम सब लोग केवल और केवल एक ही चीज को लिए पे करते हैं, और वो क्या है? वो है हमारा रिजल्ट्स, वो है एक्सपीरियंस, वो है डिलाइट। रिजल्ट्स के कई नाम होते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस होता है, मैंने पोल में एक्सपीरियंस लिखा था, डिलाइट होता है। हम सबको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है वो 300 रुपए का पॉपकॉर्न खा के। वो 300 रुपए का पॉपकॉर्न सबको मालूम है 30 रुपए का है, वो चाय सबको मालूम है 50 रुपए की, 50 पैसे की है, बट द एक्सपीरियंस, द रिजल्ट विच वी गेट। अगर हम लोग एक बिजनेस डीलिंग करते हैं, मैं अगर वो JW मैरियट में बैठ के कर रहा हूं, ऐसा नहीं है कि बिजनेस डीलिंग एक स्ट्रीट साइड में नहीं हो सकती है, दैट कैन बी फिनोमिनल, बट अगेन वो रिजल्ट क्रिएट होना चाहिए। बट व्हाई डू वी ऑल डू? हम लोग नोइंगली अननोइंगली जानते हैं वी आर पेइंग सो मच फॉर दैट, बट स्टिल वी डू। द ओनली रीजन इज, जिस चीज से रिजल्ट आता है, आप जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं, अगर आप रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड काम करेंगे, आपकी सैलरी, I have done audit with various companies which are like multinational companies of Calcutta and all across India, and I have seen दो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट है। एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ने रिजल्ट्स क्रिएट किया, वो मार्केटिंग में था, एक ने सिर्फ ऑडिट किया और अकाउंट्स किया। आज आफ्टर 20 years if I see both of them, कभी आप लोग मेरे से हुबहू मिलोगे तो मैं नहीं, नाम तो नहीं बताऊंगा उनका, पर फिर भी this is there, I have seen in last 20 years because I was in college 23 years back I think, so that was the time। तो उनमें से मैंने देखा है आज एक जन की सैलरी 1 करोड़ रुपया है और दूसरे की सैलरी 25-26 लाख है। रिजल्ट्स सेम, दोनों एक संग ज्वाइन किए, एक संग एक ही चेंबर में मैंने दोनों को देखा है, बैठे हुए हैं, एंड देन फाइनली द ग्रोथ एंड द वे इट हैज ग्रोन। नाउ इट इज ऑल बिकॉज समबडी इज क्रिएटिंग मोर रिजल्ट्स। जिसने नहीं रिजल्ट किया कोई खराब बात नहीं है, बट अगेन व्हाट यू वांट टू डू इन योर लाइफ, दैट इज मोर एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंट। There is a lot to explain. Probably we are not going to do so many things today. But what I am going to share with you is something which is, okay, let me just, this is something which actually, okay, this is a book which I authored in 2016. So this is one beautiful program which I will encourage all of you to, if you can participate in that. I can share the links, I can share it with the organizers, and then you all can get it if you wish to. This is something which I have created. I have created 18 games, okay? And so far I was doing all these programs with only financial experts, bankers, professionals, who are into this industry of wealth management and all across India. And we have created over 100 trainers also for this particular program. And this is a beautiful program where, you know, you have all this games, and through games actually you understand and you learn. And the innovation is, this is again a very, not a very long thing. This is in 9 days, 2 hours, 9 days you can do. And there is a 60% discount also which is available, and it's a very, very nominal cost. Actually you are only paying like just like a exam fees to National Stock Exchange, nothing more than that. So that's the reason I am here to share with you the details, and the link probably I can share. And again, I'm not here, I'm not doing any marketing or anything like that. This is something which can actually really, really help you. There are some students from like ICFI Business School and some CA final year students. We just recently did one batch with them, and the phenomenal experience they had. And I'm sure all of you will have a very, very good experience. So it all talks about debt market and all through games. And this is what, as a, if you are looking for a career in a banking industry, in a wealth management, in a mutual fund company, in a stock broking, or maybe in insurance companies, or maybe anything related to financial, I think these all modules will come very, very handy. Now, after that, each module, there is a depth. Okay. You can actually go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. And then there is actually no end to that. So volatility game, most of the time you have returns in the market, but when to actually come out of it and when to actually get into that, this is something strategically which is actually played. Okay, so do you want me to play one of the games with you? No, it is like not a 1 minute game. These all are like 60 minutes to 90 minutes game. Maybe, you know, I can just share with you how it moves. It's like in a casino format and things like that, so that, you know, you actually understand certain things. So I will just show you. We will not get the whole teams divided, and I will show you not the technical terms I will share you, but it can actually become like that. Debt market, again, you know, 90% of the world's market is debt, and it's not equity. And then in equity, option and derivatives is 90%. हम लोग को लगता है सिर्फ shares ले रहे हैं, बेच रहे हैं, that is there. But no, beyond that, options and derivatives is much, much, much bigger. And with the understandings of options and derivatives, you can hedge your portfolio. Maybe you have seen your parents or maybe people around you, some कुछ लोग रुपया खो रहे हैं, कुछ लोग रुपया waste कर रहे हैं, उनका loss हो रहा है. But I think if you have proper knowledge, you can protect your money. So protecting your money is very, very important. Again, mutual fund is such a big, huge industry. In India, currently only 5% of the savings is done through mutual fund right now. In US, you know how much it is? 74% people are investing through mutual fund. So mutual fund industry is a huge scope. I think this industry will be recruiting, or will be taking, I think, majority of the people, wealth management industry, whether it is a banking sector or mutual fund sector and insurance sector, they are looking for like commerce people, MBAs, chartered accountants, company secretaries. They will be hiring phenomenal. अभी ठीक है, कोरोना चल रहा है, हमारी इकोनॉमी, इस वर्ल्ड की इकोनॉमी थोड़ी सी खराब है, पर हर वो व्यक्ति, रिमेंबर माय वर्ड्स, हाँ दोस्तों, जो प्रिपेयर्ड है, जो तैयार है, जिसने पढ़ाई लिखाई कर ली, प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज गेन कर लिया, लीन सिचुएशन में, जैसे ही वो तेजी आएगी ना, सबसे पहले उन लोगों को सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. It is the people who will have more knowledge and more understanding. They will be selected first and they will be moving up very, very fast. क्योंकि जब सब कुछ ठीक होगा ना, तब there will be a desperate requirement by everyone, all the institutions. अरे मुझे ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए, ये नॉलेज वाला बंदा चाहिए, ये नॉलेज वाला बंदा चाहिए. And that is the, yes, that is something which is going to be the very, very well requirement. और सब situation एक जैसी नहीं रहती है. अभी हम लोग जिस भी situation में हैं, it is the time to learn, to understand, to get together. आप लोग एक दूसरे के संग में भी मिल के बैठ के study group, study circle, अभी तो Zoom platforms हैं, करिए. And I think this is a very good opportunity, something which your organizers and your team has actually done starting this series as of now. This is really, really going to help you, and I wish all the success to everyone so that they can actually do really, really good. And then influencer game is something how you can actually communicate. बहुत बार क्या होता है ना, नॉलेज तो मिल जाता है पर उसको कम्युनिकेट कैसे करें, राइट टाइम पे कम से कम शब्दों में आपको चीजों को कम्युनिकेट करना आना चाहिए. Vision game is about leadership, wherein how you can become a leader and how you can lead a team and how you can actually have. महात्मा गांधी जी का एक विजन था, लेकिन उनके विजन के संग बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े तभी तो देश को आजादी मिली. तो सेम कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में भी वही है, बिजनेस में भी वही है, फैमिली में भी वही है. तो दिस इज अबाउट दैट गेम. फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, आई थिंक पर्सनल फाइनेंस का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स है फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग से रिलेटेड. बट अगेन ये सारी की सारी चीजें एज अ नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज का एक सर्टिफिकेशन है, और इसका एक्चुअल में अभी ऑनलाइन एनएससी के वेबसाइट में द कोर्स फीस इज 10,000 रुपीज. But I think for all of you, there is something which is at 4,000 rupees only, which is just like an exam fees you have to pay. This whole modules and all, which I will be conducting from 7th of September. This batch is starting from 3 to 5 p.m. So the details I will share with your organizers, and probably that can help all of you. And मेरे को और एक चीज just मैं share कर दूं आपके संग, which is a little video about this particular thing, जो शायद आपने देखा भी था और आपके शायद प्रोमो वीडियो के हिसाब से आया भी था. सो उसको वीडियो को शेयर करना इतना जरूरी नहीं होगा आई थिंक, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी आप लोगों ने देख लिया होगा. फिर भी मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. लेट मी जस्ट शो इट. इट्स ओनली अ 30 seconds वीडियो. So this is there. I will just show you how the game also works a little. It will be just in a minute time, and then actually we can okay, something which will come on your screen, and it's like when we play for each and every module, we have games like this. So what I will do, let me just share with you. This is something. This is a screen of one of the games. Let's say we just divide the whole game into 4 teams. I hope all of you can see this, and we just write the name of the team. Let's say Tiger, and then maybe one of the team is Lion, and maybe KKR and whatever, maybe Super Kings or something like that. So yes, sir, it is visible. Okay. So now this way, there is a screen which comes out. We divide the whole team. You all get into a breakout room, and then there is a discussion, and then figures like these are like the market figures which come ratios, PB ratios. हम लोगों ने theoretically इन सबको पढ़ा है, but how actually practically you can use them, the Nifty levels, and then further levels, underground. Then we divide that into equity and debt market. How much we should put into equity as a team? We all decide and we put it, and then we understand how the logic goes behind, why it is happening the way it is happening. ऐसे market में, and these are all actual figures, हाँ. तो ये डेट मार्केट के लिए भी, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस के लिए भी अलग अलग, जैसे यहाँ पे हम लोग ये फंडामेंटली ये सब ले रहे हैं. And then not only that, and then these figures will come up over here, and actually you can see how it works. Then we write, let's say यहाँ पे किसी को 100% किसी ने डेट में डाला, किसी ने डेट इक्विटी डाला, किसी ने 50-50 डाला, and maybe somebody has put in 25-75, and then once you have done, all of you are like given 1 crore, and then we invest. All your score scores get adjusted and all. So one team has won more, somebody put into debt fund at this point of time, like the team Tiger has actually got the maximum return. So that way, no, ये सारे के सारे teams के इस तरीके से adjustments होते रहते हैं. There are a lot of videos, there are a lot of polls, there are a lot of engaging activities. They say, yeah, this was like the first game. Then for technicals, we use a lot of charts and all, but that is also in a form of a game. Debt market, when fundamental analysis, what we do out of 1500 stocks, how you can actually identify 20 stocks, which is like best as far as fundamentals are concerned. Okay, सबको मालूम है डेट फ्री होना चाहिए कंपनी, बट कितने लोग उसको समझ यूज करते हैं, हम लोग देखते ही नहीं है. पी रेशियोज कम होना चाहिए कि ज्यादा होना चाहिए, और क्या क्या रेशियोज देखना चाहिए, कैश फ्लो है कि नहीं उस कंपनी का. तो ये सारे डेटास कैसे देखते हैं, कैसे करते हैं, और फाइनली आप आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करते हैं. आप लोग को जरूरत नहीं है कि हम सारे के सारे लोग को स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना है इसीलिए, बट आप जिस कंपनी में भी काम करेंगे, अगर ये नॉलेज आपको है, इफ यू आर अवेयर अबाउट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आई थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट. This is something which is very, very important. Okay, so this is there. And I will share the link with Roshni and all of, so that no, they can actually share it with all of you. I just don't want to share it over here, so that no, which is there. Yes, there is a website which you all can go through, Volatility Game. Okay, so here you can go and see. These are, there is a for students, there is a batch which is starting on 7th of September from 3 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 2 hours every day for 9 days. This is going to be there. And the normal fees of physical classes is 20,000. For exams, it is 10,000, but it is coming to you only for 4,000 as a student's thing from National Stock Exchange. This is something which you will have to pay and do everything to NSE, and the certification is also from NSE. So this is how it works, and a lot of learning and a lot of things which can actually help all of you. Okay, any questions so far? If you want, you can ask questions in the chat box, or if you want, you can just write me in the, or raise your hand. There is a way you can actually raise the hand. I will be happy to answer all of them. Yes. Any questions? No, sir. Understood. Good, 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 good. If you have understood, then it is fine. So over to you, Yash, and wish you all the best. Make a lot of money, because when you make money, you can actually not only help yourself, you can help the whole your family, you can help the whole nation. Because हर एक व्यक्ति से, that's what the whole game is all about. आप एक एक व्यक्ति की इनकम जैसे जैसे बढ़ेगी, हमारे पूरे देश की इनकम बढ़ेगी. Because your gross domestic product of a country is dependent on the individual income which you are earning. Okay, individual domestic product actually. So if you are ensuring that you are making more and more money in your life, you are not only helping yourself, but you are helping the whole nation. You are helping the country. So I think that's the reason you all should ensure that you should all make good amount of money. Making money is good. Making money is good for the nation. Making money is good for the family. Intention should be good, and making money is very spiritual also. So my dear friends, make a lot of money. Have the actual mindset. Be with your friends who are who have this rich mindset, and that is really, really going to help you, each and everyone, whoever is there. तो कहते हैं ना, अच्छी संगति से अच्छे प्रभाव आते हैं, और वो अच्छे प्रभाव आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनाते हैं. So with these words, thank you very much. Thank you for your patience, time, and being a part on a Monday morning, Monday afternoon. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for that insightful webinar. We will now be having the question and answer session, and I request all participants who want to ask questions to send a message via the chat box.
Money is equals to results. When we talk about product, does it mean that then in better quality the consumer acquisition is up? See, this is the reality of today. I'm not telling सिर्फ effort देना या time देना अच्छी बात नहीं है, अच्छी है. अभी you see, let's take an example of Amazon. Amazon में क्या हो रहा है? They are making a lot of money, and my younger son is 9 years old. अभी उसको कुछ भी चाहिए, वो बस वो Amazon पे जाता है, बैग सिलेक्ट करता है, and he gets it. He is getting the result whatever is desired. शायद उसे मालूम भी नहीं है कहाँ मिलता है, नहीं मिलता है, बट उसे मालूम है Amazon में मिलता है. So this is the way दिमाग में घुस गया है आजकल बच्चों के, and everybody knows, even an 8-year-old, 9-year-old boy. So I think that's the reason they are creating these results, and that is the reason they are making a lot of money. So if whatever work you are doing, if it is not creating that results, probably it will not generate that much of income. That is something which is there. I will share the link also of this particular program which we are doing, so that know if that can actually help you. Okay, in the meantime, you can just write, sir, if you had explained the difference between spending intelligently and saving online. Yes, I will. There is a lot, because see, we only had 1 hour, and I thought, no, let's be there as far as your organizers has given me the time. We started 10 minutes late, and we finished before the time. So I just believe that we should only be doing. Yes, there is a difference between spending and intelligently saving, and every saving is not only. That's what Robert Kiyosaki in his book also explained. So I just talk about 2 books there. One is Rich Dad Poor Dad, and the other is the Cash Flow Quadrant. So it is very, very important that we understand that. So yes, you have rightly got the thing. Sir, ETF is better than the mutual fund. ETF is a mutual fund. It's a part. In ETF, what happens? There is a lot of the expense ratio is very, very less. So I think ETF is good. And most of the ETFs are not managed. They are like more or less passive. So this is just like whether it is a Nifty and ETF or a pharma ETF or a gold ETF. They just buy it according to the things, and then they just keep it, so it moves up and down. So if you can do rebalancing, that now the market looks very, very good, you put it into ETF, and now the market looks bad, probably you come out of ETF and put into fixed deposit. If you can do that, you can actually make very, very good money. But again, that timing, not timing in the market is not very important. The time in the market and actually the rebalancing is very, very important. So this is something which is very important. Should we save what we can't spend, or should we spend what we can't save? See, this is a nice question. And what, sir, what is the secret behind controlling oneself from lavish expenditure? अच्छा, अपने आप को नियंत्रित कैसे करें हम? Yes, that is very, very important. So the best part how you can control yourself is create a goal for yourself. और वो गोल में इतनी ताकत होनी चाहिए, इतने उसका आकर्षण होना चाहिए कि ये जो टेम्परेरी चीजें हैं, वो मैशमेलोस होता है ना, वो बचपन में हम लोगों ने सुनी होगी कहानी मैशमेलोस ट्रुथ, तो उसके अंदर हम लोगों ने देखा भी था कि हाउ इट वर्क्स. सो एक्चुअली अगर मैशमेलोस आप थोड़ा देर के लिए क्या कहते हैं उसको, अगर फोरगो कर सकते हैं फॉर सम टाइम, it can actually work wonders for you. Okay, so that's something which is very important. So और दूसरा और एक क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा है, should we spend or spend what we can't save? अगर आप सेव नहीं कर सकते हो तो क्या आपको खर्च कर देना चाहिए? हाँ, खर्च कर दीजिए, क्योंकि अगर आप उसे इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो प्रोबेबली आप कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. सिर्फ सेव करना नहीं होता है, एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू what you actually desire in life, so it is not going to work for you. So it is better not to save. But again, income minus saving or rather investing, then you should go to expenditure. Most of the time क्या करते हैं हम लोग, इनकम माइनस एक्सपेंस करके जो बचता है उसमें से सेव करते हैं, बट उसके लिए कुछ बचता भी नहीं है फिर. इसीलिए आपको ये सोचना है कि पहले हमने जो इनकम अर्न कर ली है, जो भी हमें पॉकेट मनी मिल रहा है, उसमें हम इतना सेव कर लेते हैं. दैट कैन बी 10%, दैट कैन बी 20%. आफ्टर दैट वॉट एवर इज लेफ्ट, आप उसे ये समझें कि यही मेरी इनकम है और उसी से मेरे को खर्चा करना है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द स्ट्रेटेजी लाइक दैट. Okay, so this is there. See, I am sharing with you a link, my dear friends. ये link जो है, आप लोग इसमें you can actually go and you can इसके अंदर में डिस्काउंट कोड है, उसका नाम है SPECIAL. ये आप डिस्काउंट कोड डालोगे तो you will get 6,000 rupees डिस्काउंट. on fees. Okay, so this is something which I have shared with you. If you wish, you can use this and you can know more about the particular program. And this is the link wherein you can actually go and do the things. Special. You just need to put special and it is going to be there. So that is there. Okay. Is there people who spend uselessly due to the peer pressure, not called miser? They do not understand the validation and not the reason one should earn as a student. How can I bring the change? Yes. Very good. Nice question, Divyanshu. Yes, the most of the time the people are actually doing it because of the peer pressure and all. But agar, that's the difference, no? That's about habits. This is something which we also share during the program is आदतें ही होती हैं जो एक व्यक्ति को दूसरे व्यक्ति से डिफरेंशिएट करती है. वो आदतें ही थी सचिन तेंदुलकर की, जिन्होंने सचिन को सचिन बनाया, या सौरव गांगुली को सौरव गांगुली बनाया, या फिर अमिताभ बच्चन को अमिताभ बच्चन बनाया. ऐसी कहानियां और ऐसे मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस वगैरह हम लोगों ने बहुत देखे होंगे, बट दैट्स अ फैक्ट. So again, instant gratification is something which is very, very important. और अगर हम लोग इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन को थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन कर देते हैं, थोड़ा सा कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं उस समय, और क्या जरूरत है ऐसी चीजों की. अभी देखिए ना, 5 महीने में आप कितने मॉल्स में गए हैं, कहाँ गए हैं, क्या आपने स्पेंडिंग किया है, जस्ट आप अज्यूम कीजिए सब कुछ लेकिन चल रहा था. क्या आपने बाहर में होटल्स में जाके खर्चा किया है? मैं ये नहीं कहता हूँ खर्चा नहीं करना है, हमें स्पेंड नहीं करना है, एक फोन नहीं खरीदना है, या एक गाड़ी नहीं खरीदनी है, बाइक नहीं खरीदनी है. पर अभी हम लोगों ने देखा ना, बहुत सारी चीजें चल गई और हो सकता है मैनेज. ओके, बी जस्ट मॉडरेट, एंड वहां पे वो भी सब चीजें मॉडरेशन में करनी चाहिए, आई थिंक टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. अगर हम लोग वैसा करते हैं तो थिंग्स विल एक्चुअली वर्क इन आवर फेवर और हम सबको वो हेल्प करेगी. ओके, सो दिस इज अ special link which I have shared with you, wherein you all can register, and there is a code which you can actually pay, and the fees becomes only 4,000. This is there. There is time. Okay. Any further questions? Good, good. So read a few books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and maybe little later when you have started doing your business. I changed all my business models in 2003 when I read this book called The Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. And Rich Dad, Poor Dad I read in 2000, and I thought I read that book very, very late. And The Secret is one book which you should read. And all these games and all, know a lot of students and a lot of people whom I have actually conducted this program with. I think they all tell, you can see a lot of feedbacks there on our website also. The earlier this would have come, okay, when I do it with professionals, it would have been better. ऐसा लोग सोचते हैं, और अगर मैं भी ऐसा ही सोचता हूँ, अगर ये नॉलेज मुझे भी और बहुत साल पहले पता चल जाता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक ही दिन में इस नॉलेज से वॉरेन बफेट बन जाएंगे, मुकेश अंबानी बन जाएंगे. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा, बट एक प्रोसेस शुरू हो जाएगा, चीजें थोड़ी फास्ट हो जाएगी. आप यू विल बी एबल टू, यू विल स्टार्ट टेकिंग बेटर एक्शंस. और देखो, गेटिंग रिच फास्ट इज नॉट अ ट्रुथ. ना वॉरेन बफेट फटाफट अमीर बने थे. इवन अगर हम लोग देखते हैं ना, हमारे फेसबुक या अमेज़न के जो फाउंडर्स हैं, वो लोग भी एक साथ जल्दी से नहीं कोई रिच बना है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट अ लिटिल टाइम एंड द राइट टाइम टू कम. बट अगेन, जब राइट टाइम जब तक नहीं आता है, आपने प्रिपरेशन कितनी की है, तैयारी कितनी की है, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. एंड आई थिंक जो अभी सिचुएशन चल रही है, लॉकडाउन, नो लॉकडाउन, कोरोना, whatever, COVID-19, all these things we all are going through, and probably I think few more months, or maybe by next year only, things can get little better. Getting rich fast is not source of pleasure, it is just a source of money. Nice saying, Rohan. And movies, okay, movies related to business. Okay, I enjoy this movie जो आया था ना, बाजार, हिंदी मूवी है उसकी, हमारे क्या नाम है, सैफ अली खान की. एंड देयर आर, आई एंजॉयड मूवी लाइक बदमाश कंपनी, उसकी थी ये, वो क्या था, करीना कपूर का पुराना बॉयफ्रेंड, हाँ, शाहिद कपूर. यस. सो and so there are a lot of movies, and I love watching Hindi movies. But again, आप हर movie से I'm actually written a book called Volatility Game, and my second book is coming on 11th of September. Okay, I will share a link with your organizers. If you wish, you can be a part of that launch of the book. I welcome all of you. I'll share the link with your organizer. If you all wish, you can be a part of that. So that book will be launched on 11th of September. That actually is also on wealth. The title is Behavior Finance. Again, that's about some ancient India stories of a lot of Indian realities, and from there how you learn and you can actually manage your wealth. So it is about stories and things. So maybe you all can enjoy that also. So that's it. Good to see you. 70 of you are still there, although we have crossed 10 minutes. So any other questions which is there? Otherwise, let me thank Yash, Roshni, and the whole team, and all of you who have been actually participated today, because all of you are there. That is the reason we are able to do this program. And I think if maybe a little 1% or 0.5%, whatever it is, whatever we have shared, it will add a little value to whatever your learning is. But the idea is learn and keep learning, keep identifying certain things, maybe reading books, watching movies, and all this thing is so nice. And today YouTube is full of information. But again, there also it is very important to be very specific. आज की डेट में important ये नहीं है information मिलना, आज की डेट में important ये है कि specific information मिलना. So वैसा ही मैंने किया है. Like technical analysis अपने आप में 4-5 साल का प्रोग्राम है. हमने उसको 2 घंटे के समय में इतनी चीजों को कवर कर दिया है. जो चीजें ज्यादा रेलेवेंट है वो आपको करनी है, और फिर उसके डेप्थ में आप जाइए. You will be able to do lot of things. Fundamental. This itself is like again a 3-year program. But again, in 2 hours, you will understand how actually to compile everything and where actually to study and what. So you will have to be very specific, because today time is money. Not it was again earlier also. But now it is more and more important. The quality time which you spend on something which is very important. So जितनी चीज जरूरी है उसी की depth में चले जाइए. I think that will be relevant. Not that reading everything and knowing everything is not important. हर वो चीज जो शायद मैं बोलूं सब कुछ अवेलेबल है, कोई भी आपके टीचर बोलेंगे ज्यादा अवेलेबल है गूगल में, पर आपको स्पेसिफिक होना पड़ेगा उस पर्टिकुलर में, और उसी के डेप्थ में जाइए एंड बिकम एन एक्सपर्ट. You will have more value. You will be able to create more value. And obviously you will be able to generate more results. और एक चीज, आज का जो टाइम है ना, इंडिपेंडेंट होने का नहीं है, डिपेंडेंट होने का है. आप एक चीज में एक्सपर्ट हैं, जितेश एक चीज में एक्सपर्ट है, तानिया एक चीज में एक्सपर्ट है, मनोज एक चीज में एक्सपर्ट है, मानस एक चीज में एक्सपर्ट है, यश एक चीज में, सबकी एक्सपर्टीज को मिला के if something is created that is more big, that is going to take a bigger leap. सब लोग अगर एक व्यक्ति अगर सारी चीज में एक्सपर्ट है, मास्टर ऑफ ऑल का अभी जमाना नहीं है. मैं ये फिर बार कहूंगा, you have to be expert in one specific thing. थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज होना चाहिए, then you can actually create a lot of value. क्योंकि आज की डेट में वही वैल्यू फिर से आ गया है. इसीलिए इस तरीके के जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है लाइक BNI, बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग प्लेटफॉर्म, जहां पे एक चीज सब लोग करते हैं और एक दूसरे को हेल्प करते हैं और ग्रो कर रहे हैं. So that is the reason this is working more, and this is the time. या फिर you become like Amazon or maybe Mukesh Ambani, wherein you are able to control everything, all small things, and then you become boss of everything. Or till the time, or you get absorbed with them. So, but again, you will have to be specifically एक चीज का unique knowledge होना जरूरी है. So try to expertise in one thing. So this, but उससे पहले आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए आप किस चीज में expertise करोगे. So I think this particular program probably can help you in that. Okay, look forward to see some of you in the program, which is really going to be full of fun and full of interesting facts and a lot of learning, which actually can help you and can actually take you to the next level in your career. Thank you so much. Yash, over to you.
Thank you, sir, for such an informative webinar and clearing all our doubts. The takings from this webinar is going to help our audience in steady faith. Thank you to all our attendees for having joined us today and showing us support even in these trying times. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming webinars as well. We will be hosting EduAIMS tomorrow, IBS, George Institute, Reliance Industries Limited, and at Parity in the following days. We await your presence for the same. Thank you for being such an encouraging audience. You can now leave the meeting.